Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer, and I am here for your Tech Tip of the Week in less than 60 seconds coming up. Alright, so what we're going to do in Command today is that I'm going to help y'all plan out a couple social posts for your week. So first and foremost, what we want to do is navigate to the Campaigns tab. In the Campaigns tab, we're going to click on Social Posts, and if you'll scroll down, you'll see that it's already set up social posts for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can go ahead and plan out an entire week ahead. Today, I'm going to go ahead and plan a social post for Wednesday evening, as Wednesday evening is one of the peak times for Facebook use. All right, first things first, we need to go over to Wednesday, click Create a Social Post. I'm going to be uploading an image, so I'm going to choose Upload Image, drag and drop or browse for files. I'm going to choose my Daylight Savings Time file, Open. And in the drop-down up here where it says square, I'm going to drop it down to free, and that'll allow me to show the entire image. Once you do that, click Crop Image. And then next we need to write something in our post. Make sure to say something memorable like, don't forget to fall back. Last but not least, you want to make sure that your social post is engaging, so make sure to add some emoticons or emojis to your post. Studies have shown that emojis are more eye-catching and more likely to get people to engage with your posts. Okay, before we hit Schedule Post, we need to upload our Market Center logo. So if you'll scroll down, click on this box here, browse for wherever you have the file saved, open it, select it, processing, fabulous, and that's it. We want to make sure that we click the Include My Ownership Statement. Finally, you want to make sure to set the correct time. So since I said Wednesday evening, let's scroll down here and change the time to 7 p.m. Perfect. Look at that. And we can schedule post, all done. There you have it. You now know how to schedule social media out for the entire week ahead of you. Have a great afternoon, have a great week, and I'll see y'all soon.